Welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to generate QR code using Python. So this is the package that we are going to use to generate the QR code. And if you don't have it installed, you can come here and copy this command to install the library or the package. So I'm going to open my terminal and install the package. So I will use pip install pyqr code. So I already have it installed, so that's why it's showing requirements already satisfied. So after installing this package, you come to your editor and import the library. So I'm going to type import pyqr code. Once you are done with the installation, you specify what you want to generate the QR code for. So in this tutorial, I'm going to generate the QR code for my YouTube channel. So I'm going to search for my YouTube channel link. Opening tag. So I'm going to generate the QR code for this link. So what I will do is I will create a variable to hold the link to my YouTube channel. So there's a link. Then what I will do is I will create a variable called QR. Now QR will use the pyqr code to create the QR code for me. So there is a method in this library called create. So I will tap on the create, then I will add the link to my YouTube video. So now I've imported the code, I have a link to my YouTube channel, then I've created a variable called QR which holds the QR code that I've created. Now the last thing that I need to do is first of all, I'm going to generate an SVG file for my YouTube link. So what I need to do is to type qr.svg. So svg is a method or it's a property in the QR variable. So I type svg, then I specify the name of the name I want to use for the SVG file. So I'll use QR code.svg. Then the next command or the next property that I need to pass is the scale. So I pass the scale which is equal to 10. Okay, let me use 7. So the scale will determine how big your QR code will be. So that's all. That's all the code that you need to generate the QR code. So let me run this code and see whether this QR code will be generated. So on my terminal, I will type Python QR code.py. So as you can see, we didn't get any errors. So that means the code has been generated for us. The QR code has been generated for us. So if I switch back to my editor, you can see there is QR code.svg file over here. So the QR code has been generated. But normally you will need an image file or either JPEG or a PNG file of the QR code that will be generated. So instead of using an SVG file, we want to generate a PNG or a JPEG file out of the code that will be generated. So to generate a PNG file, we'll need another package called PyPNG. So you type pip install PyPNG. So if I hit enter, it will tell me that requirement is already satisfied. I've already installed this package on my laptop. So after installing this package, you'll come to your code and import PNG, not PyPNG. You import PNG. Now after importing PNG, you come here on the next line, you type qr.png. Now you need to specify the name of your PNG file. So I'm going to use qrcode.png. Then the next parameter that I need to pass is the scale. So the scale determines the size of your QR code. So I'm going to use 10 over here and comment this line of code out. So this code is to generate PNG file. Yeah, so that's all we need to do. QR code.png, the name of the PNG file the name of the PNG file, then the scale, which is the size of the PNG. Now let's run this code again and see if the QR code will be generated. So let me clear my screen. So I'll type Python QR code.py. I will hit enter. No error. So that means the QR code has been generated in the PNG format. So if I switch back to my terminal, the VS Code editor, as you can see, we have a QR code.png over here. So the QR code has been successfully generated for us. And as you can see, we used just 3 lines of Python code. We got the link to the channel. We created the link using the prcode.create. Then we generated a PNG, an image format of the QR code that was created for us. So that's all. Thanks for watching.